Hi, welcome back. Let's see if we can solve this problem. Four is 2 squared. Instead of writing 1 over 2 squared, I can write that as minus 2. So 2 to the power of minus 2 is the same as a quarter. All of this is raised to the power of x plus 1. This equals, well, 64 is 2 to the power of 6. And all of this is raised to the power of x minus 3. Now, this rule in maths says if we have a number raised to a power and all of that is raised to another power, we can rewrite this as that same number raised to those two powers multiplied together. So let's do that. This becomes 2 to the power of minus 2 multiplied by x plus 1. And this equals 2 to the power of 6 multiplied by x minus 3. Now, if we have terms where the base is the same, in this case 2, then the powers must be equal. So we can say that minus 2 multiplied by x plus 1 must equal 6 multiplied by x minus 3. Now all we need to do is rearrange this and solve for x. So here we've got minus 2x minus 2. Here we've got 6x minus 18. Taking the 18 across, we end up with 18 minus 2. And bringing the minus 2x across, we've got 6x plus 2x. Therefore, 8x equals 16. And therefore, x equals 2. And that's the answer. Did you get it? Let's do a quick check and see if that's right. If x equals 2, then this becomes 1/4 to the power of 3. And that should equal 64 to the power of minus 1. Now, 1/4 times 1/4 times 1/4 is 1 over 64. And that equals, well, 64 to the minus 1 is the same as 1 over 64. So yes, our answer of x equals 2 is correct. Did you get that?